Hello everyone, and welcome po sa aking munting channel. For today's video, isang free earning application ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. To start this video guys, may ipapakita akong payment proof na nagpapatunay na nagbabayad talaga ang app na to. As you can see guys, consistent yung withdrawal niya ng tig 100 pesos. Kaya pwede kang kumita dito ng 100 pesos everyday. Ang app na tinutukoy ko guys ay itong si RP Rewards. Ilalagay ko po yung download link sa ating description box at comment section. Once na-download na ninyo ang app guys, open natin yung app. Ito ang makikita nyo guys pag open nyo ng app. Swipe lang po kayo pa right. Click nyo lang po tong agree. At andito na po tayo sa main page ng app. As you can see guys, there are 4 ways na makaka-earn po tayo ng points dito. First is by taking surveys. Second is doing task. And third one is watching video ads. At may isa pa guys ay itong scratch card nila. Punta lang po kayo guys sa Scratch It section at makikita nyo po dito ang tap to scratch. Click nyo lang po yan. As you can see, nakakuha tayo ng 499 RP points. Take note pala guys, need natin makatapos ng isang download app task dito para ma-unlock yung ibang ways of earnings. Once nakaipon na kayo ng enough points guys, punta lang tayo dito sa redeem section. Ito po yung available withdrawal options na meron sila. Meron silang mobile recharge, GCash, PayMaya, GrabPay at marami pang iba. Sa GCash nila, you can withdraw 10 pesos once you reach 3,900 points. Meron din silang 50 pesos and 100 pesos. Perfect na perfect po ito sa ating mga viewers na naghahanap ng side hustle o ibang pagkakakitaan. That's it for our video guys. Kindly support my channel by liking the video and clicking the subscribe button para updated kayo for more educational videos na i-upload po natin. Have a great day everyone.